Good morning, class 7, our properties. Today we will do liquid. We have learned that solids have a definite shape, but liquid does liquid have shape? No. It takes the shape of the flask or the beaker where it is poured. If you pour some water in a beaker, if the beaker is round, the shape of the water will be round. So basically, liquid do not have its own shape. It takes the shape of the particle in which it is being kept, or the container. Now pour the same amount of water that you have poured in the beaker into a flask. It will take the shape of a flask. So the water takes the shape of the flask. This means water or any other liquid, it generally does not have any definite shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. The amount of water in both the container is the same. This means that water has a fixed definite volume, though its shapes vary. The substance that has a definite volume but not a definite shape is known as liquid. The shape of the liquid changes from container to container, which indicates that a liquid is not hard and rigid like solid. That means liquid is compressible to some extent. Since the intermolecular distance in liquids is more than that in solid, liquids have the ability to flow, which makes them diffuse from one region to another. Example, if we put a drop of ink into a glass of water, it sprays uniformly and the water turns blue. Now, the arrangements of the molecules in liquid. Liquid have a weaker intermolecular force between their molecules than that we have seen in solid. So, their intermolecular distance is more than that in a solid. In other words, the molecules in liquids are less closely packed than in solid. Therefore, liquids are not rigid and hard like solid, but the molecules of the liquid are loosely bound and can move around easily, and that is why we know that liquid flows. So what are the properties of liquid? The properties of liquid are that the molecules are loosely packed, they do not have a definite shape and have a definite volume. Liquids are compressible, unlike the solid. Liquids diffuse slowly, and liquid flow from higher level to lower level. Now, after liquid, it is gas. What is gas? Gas is all around us. If we fill up a balloon, we fill it with air, and that is gas. That takes the shape and volume of the tire and the balloon, respectively. That means gas do not have any fixed shape like liquid. If we take a balloon and fill it up, then pack the balloon to burst it. What happens to the air in it? When we fill the air, move out in all directions. That means gases can move freely in all directions. Therefore, they can diffuse easily from one region to another. Gases are also highly compressible since their intermolecular distance is larger than that of the solid and liquids. Hence, gas is a substance that has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. What are the arrangements of the molecules in a gas? The intermolecular force between the molecules of the gas is very weak, which results is that the gas molecules do not have contact with each other and can move around freely in any direction. Thus, the molecules in a gas are more loosely packed than that of the solid liquids. Properties of gas. Molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gas diffuses rapidly, and gases can be compressed at a high extent that you can see with a balloon. So this is the end of the chapter. If you go through this differences, then it will be easier for you to learn. Thank you.